In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Minecraft launcher error preparing your game. So let's get started. We're going to look at various solutions, and the first one we have is check internet connection. Check internet connection. So ensure your internet connection is stable and strong, because a weak connection can cause download issues. The next one, you have to ensure that you temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software to see if it's interfering. And if it is, you can just add exception to your Minecraft game and then it won't interfere anymore. The next one is restart launcher and game. Restart launcher and game. So make sure to close the Minecraft launcher and any open Minecraft instances completely. Then reopen the launcher and try launching the game again. The next possible issue would be that your Java is outdated. So update Java, because Java is required to run Minecraft. So ensure you have the latest compatible version of Java installed. You can download it from their website, which is oracle.com. Verify that Java is set as the default runtime in the launcher settings. The next one we have is verify game files. So most launchers have a verify game files option. So use this to check for any corrupted or missing file, and you should be able to find this option when you open the Minecraft launcher. So the next one we have is check for updates. So make sure the launcher itself is up to date. If you're using mods, ensure they're compatible with your Minecraft version and they are properly installed. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.